Text.
Understanding the APN on an LG phone.
A mobile phone screen. A man looks at phones in a store.
If you are activating your LG phone with a new carrier, sometimes the phone will not automatically obtain the APN or access point name that is used to allow data connectivity with their network.
A data tower. The phone screen reads, "No APNs." Then an APN appears named NXT Gen Phone.
Most devices will automatically obtain the correct APN information from the carrier's SIM card when it is inserted into the phone, powered up, and connected to their network.
A SIM card and small metal tool to open the phone's SIM card slot. An LG phone powers up to the home screen.
However, this doesn't always happen seamlessly. Usually, unlocked devices allow modification of the APN.
They click the three dots in the upper right, then click Add APN. A page opens, Edit Access Point. A woman dials a phone.
We recommend contacting the carrier you are trying to connect to before attempting to modify or add an APN. If you are moving your LG phone from its original carrier to a new carrier, you might need the original carrier to unlock the phone to allow for APN modification.
A lock symbol over a phone opens.
In this instance, please contact the original carrier of the phone, as only they can assist with unlocking it. To see if your LG phone allows for modification of the APN, open Settings.
Click a gear symbol on the home screen and the Settings page opens.
Then under Wireless Networks, tap More. Tap on Mobile Networks, then tap on Access Point Names, and tap on the three dots at the top right to see if New, Add, or Edit is there. If not, then you cannot edit the APN. If you do see one of those options, then contact the carrier you are using and ask them for the information needed to fill out the APN. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damage or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 Leaders G Electronics, all rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Ltd. Any other company names, product names and marks are the property of their respective owners.